Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to disable RC4 by using group policy and some other manual way as well. Now these days, RC4 is a very hot topic in the organizations because Microsoft has decided to disable or deprecate RC4 in the Kerberos, which is the authentication protocol for your users and computers, which is widely used. So RC4 will be deprecated in the three phases starting from January 2026 to July 2026. First and second phases have been completed. First was completed in January, second was in April, and third one and final one will be done in the July 2026. I will try to create separate video on this topic. That is also big topic and so many small things need to be remembered. So I'm preparing for that as well. So I have created similar type of video last week where I was trying to set up or set the value of RC424 by using manual way and PowerShell, but it was reverting back to 28. So I decided to do this by using group policy. It was also completed successfully, but yesterday, not yesterday, last Friday, I was talking to my one of the architect in my company. So he said, even though you change the value by using group policy, but once you restart your computer or server, that value revert to 28 again. So I did not reboot and I did not tested this. I only checked yes value has been changed. So I'm just trying to ensure that value that I change by using group policy will not be changed after rebooting the computer. If it is getting changed, then I will create another video to tell you how to change by using another way and that will not be reverted. So we will learn all the things together. So let's start from the beginning. Suppose before I want to check which protocol is used in the Kerberos even though it is using RC4 or not. So in the Kerberos ticket, what you can do, you can just type klist and enter. Then you will see here Kerberos K curb ticket encryption type. Here you can see AES 256 and AES 256 SHA-96. Here you can also see this one. So it means it is not using RC4 automatically. But if we come here in the domain controller and open the Active Directory and open that particular computer and attribute editor and type M and here you can see which one SAP01. So it is 28. Let me change this to 28. So actually I was doing some testing, so I just made it 24. And now so value is 28. We can see the same value by using this PowerShell as well. You just need to mention the correct computer name and this correct attribute. Run this. Now you can see attribute 28. Let me reboot this and see if what value we are getting. So it is not allowing me to reboot because I am not a The user that has logged into this computer is not an administrator. So run as administrator, Prem is administrator. So we can do shut down space forward slash F plus T and 00. So now computer has been rebooted. We logged into the computer and we open CMD. Why opening as administrator? This one is fine. K list. Okay. So even though value of that particular attribute is 28, but computer or Kerberos is using AES because that is by design. If client and server are both using same type of protocol, if you will read this in TLS whenever you are working something or discussing about handshake. So you will see even though compute client and servers are supporting different or weaker cipher suit, but they go with the highest one or latest one. So same thing is happening here. My domain controller is also supporting AES 256 and server is supporting AES 256. So those are going with that particular protocol. If you read this, you will come to know what is the meaning of that particular. If you are saying value is 28, it means we are supporting or both the computers and servers are supporting RC4 HMAC as well. If the value is only 20 by 24, it means they are only supporting AES 128 and AES 256. So AES 256 is more or latest one or secure. So both are using this one only. So so if you want, you can just change the value by using this particular CMD let as well. And if you see what the value is, you will see 24 only. But I have observed that value is getting revert within the 5 minutes, so I do not have time to wait. So I'm just reverting it manually, and I will create one group policy to change the value or disable the RC4, and I will revert the computer. If you come here and you will see where my computer is, my computer is under this computers organization unit. So while creating the group policy, I will go here, group policy management, domains, kannav.lan, and group policy object. We can come here, otherwise, it is good to go here because we know where my computer is. You can come here as well. New, create the group policy and link like there, but I will do both the things here. So, RC4 disable. You can give any meaningful name in your organization, but that is fine for me. So I'm only having two computers here. So I'm testing with only single one. So what I can do, I can just add a single computer only, INDE, SAP01, and I will add it Windows setting, security setting, local policies, and security options. So we need to find one setting, this one. Configure encryption type allowed for Kerberos. Here you need to select this and you need to select only these. Okay. Future encryption we are not touching. So we will just apply OK and then we can see yes, this setting is there. And now we can try by GP update force. What is happening? Okay, sorry, my bad. So let it complete and we will see the value of that computer in Active Directory. It should be 24. Yes. So value change to 24 and now I want to reboot this and then we will check the value again. That was our goal of this video. I'm not sure whether it will change after reboot or not, but whatever is happening that we can understand and we can conclude something. Yes or no. Shut down space /r /f /t 00. And if you want to reboot the computer after 5 seconds, say this. After 60 seconds, type this. And you can plan to reboot your computer within the 10 years as well. If you want to reboot your computer after 10 years at a particular time, you can also plan. So that I read, but I never tried. But but I keep, but I have tried many times to reboot the computer after 10 hours, 12 hours. That I have done many times and it works. So no need to do anything, let it run. I will keep myself mute. So now it has been rebooted and it will bring up. So computer has been started. Again for password. We need to run the command again and again run klist. Again the result is same because both the parties are supporting this AES 256 and I want to run this and I can say value is not getting changed to 28. Let me take one more reboot. I will reboot from here. What? Restart guest. Best way is to reboot or shut down your computer. You should log in properly and reboot this. Any other way that you are using may can create the problem for your computer. But that is my test environment. and I want to test in many ways. So again same, and that is my domain controller. So we can say that setting that we are applying through group policy, it is not reverting even though we are restarting our computer or server. So that was the goal of our video to understand. So that's all for this video. If you learn something new, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.